Hello friends, family, and welcome to the new people. My name is Misha and today I want to challenge myself because from last project I have these denim leftovers and I had idea that they would be perfect to make them into a 5-panel cap. We'll see if it will be enough. So let's try! The idea behind this video is very simple. I really like 5-panel caps, they look good on me and also on my husband. I'd like to use this video as an opportunity to make my first prototype before developing my own pattern and making like a small collections, because I have this vision where the caps are perfect for using even like the tiniest scraps of fabric. Also, if I choose the right material for the visor, the insert, they should be machine washable. I decided to buy already existing pattern of Etsy made by Moria Cap brand. My plan of attack: obviously I have to start by printing and cutting the paper pattern. Then hopefully I will have enough of my fabric scraps and I will be able to cut all the pieces from that. Then I will make the visor, the head part, the cap part, and assemble it all together, and then I will be enjoying the cap for the rest of my life. My visor is all done and I have to say I am very pleasantly surprised how easy it was for me to work with the EVA foam and also to top stitch it. Really nice with my domestic machine. Next I'm gonna connect all my panels and add a little patch on the front one. I transformed all my panels into the top portion of the head and now it's time to assemble it with the visor, add the string, adjustable string to the back and finish the raw edges and it will be done. Alright friends, my new 5-panel cap is done and now I would like to talk more about the details, what was a win and what was a miss. I'm gonna start with the cutting process. My ultimate happy moment was the fact when I opened and pressed the collar the visor piece fit perfectly. It was edge to edge, and I was able, thankfully to that, to really use all of my fabric and don't add any more fabric, so the ultimate goal of upcycling were satisfied. The visor. I used Hobby 2mm EVA foam that I unfortunately bought first hand, and that's one of the misses that I would like to solve in the future and find second-hand solution. We'll see about that. If you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments. But on the other hand, the EVA foam is really easy to work with. It's lightweight, it holds its shape really great, easy to top stitch. And I think it's gonna be, since I was using the EVA foam, it should be okay to machine wash the hat. We'll see about that. I will keep you posted about how it lasts during the washing. Potential for improvement. I would like to make the visor shorter next time. I think 1.5 centimeters would be the perfect length for me. We'll see about that. And also for the edge, I would like to use the bias tape next time, because it might be a little bit easier, faster, and it would make the edge really clean. The head part. It was kind of hard to work with it. Learn from my mistake, and maybe next time first press the seams open and then you can snip and shorten them, because when the fabric is thick and you have really small seam allowances, it's not fun to try to press it. Also, as I reused the original seams from the jacket here and on the front panel, they were bulky and it was pain in the you know where as well, so that wasn't fun. And also I would like for the next time to figure out a different way how to sew in the bias tape, because it's kind of wobbly and uneven and I would like it to be a little bit more precise. I think there's a potential to improvement as well. When it was all assembled, I finished the back loop by the bias tape as well. Yeah, and I added the fish. It fallen off from the Franken jacket, unfortunately, because I only press it on, so this time I pressed it on and also sew it with my sewing machine. I had my visor and the cap part ready, so the last step was to connect them together. I followed the instructions from my pattern here. So first I connected the visor with the cotton sweatband that I bought, and then connected all with the cap part. To make it adjustable, I added this elastic string and also this plastic thing that I don't know how it's called. And the last step to secure all the parts in place was to give the hat a good press and top stitch some parts, like as you can see, these and this part on the back. And that's how this cap is done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you are new here, please subscribe. I make these upcycling videos irregularly, but they make me really happy and I love to sharing them with you. Like this video, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!